Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will cover nouns number, basically the types of noun number and some of the rules. So this will be part 1 of this video, followed by other parts we will cover the entire topic in general. So there's a separate playlist of nouns in English language on my channel. You can check that out. Now without any further ado or delay, let's jump right in. When we talk about noun number, what do we actually mean? So noun number basically is a number that denotes whether a given noun is one or more than one. So basically it tells us about the quantity of a noun, okay? And for example, if I say 3 boys, this will be adjective, but if I say boys, you know that it's already plural, but you don't know the exact number. Okay, so you know whether a given noun by itself, okay, noun by itself is a singular one or plural one, that is it is one or it's more than one. So there are two types of noun number, singular noun and plural noun. So singular noun is a noun or a number that denotes only one noun. For example, boy, girl, bus, bag. So it's one in number. And on the contrary is plural noun, which denotes more than one noun. For example, boys, girls, families, buckets, books, shells, etc. So there are two types of noun number. In English language, there are different ways of making different kinds of nouns from singular to plural. So therefore we'll talk about the rules for forming plurals. The first one is we can form plural by adding s to the singular form. This is the basic rule that most of the nouns in English language are formed that way. For example, bag, bags, toy, toys, stickers, stickers, right? So most of these nouns are formed using this way. The next one is we can form plural. We can also form plural by adding es to the nouns that are ending with s. So the nouns which end with s, what do we do to make plural? We add es to make from singular to plural. If you see these examples here, brush ends with sh. Okay, the nouns which are ending with s, sh, ch, x, o or ss, we add es to make them plural. For example, brush has sh in it, so brushes. Watch, it has ch in it, so watches. Similarly, box and boxes. But you have to take care of these points, like if the word ch is giving the sound of k, then you'll only add s. Stomach is giving the sound of k and not ch, so stomach. Similarly, monarchs. The next point to be noticed is that some nouns ending with O only take S to form plurals. Okay, the nouns which are ending with O, basically some of these nouns, and they only take S to form plurals. For example, piano, pianos, photo, photos, cuckoo, cuckoos. It's not apostrophe S, it's S. The next point to be noticed is that nouns ending with Y. Okay, the nouns which are ending with Y, but they are preceded by a consonant. Okay, so how you'll form their plural? You'll remove the s. Okay, you'll remove the y and you'll add I followed by es. So y removes and ies is added if there is a consonant, right? If you see the spelling army, okay, it's a consonant plus y. Okay, when there is a consonant plus y, you remove the y in it and add ies, so it becomes armies, cities and policies. So basically if you'll see, if a noun ends in y which has a vowel before it, if it has vowel before it, then the plural will be formed by only adding s. If y is preceded by a vowel, okay, but if it is preceded by consonant, you'll add ies and remove the y in it. But if it is not consonant, it's vowel, like key and key in this y is preceded by e, which is a vowel, so you'll only add s, keys and valleys. The next point is that nouns ending in f or fe, okay, nouns which ends in f or fe drop their f and fe and require ves to form their plural. So the nouns which are ending with f and fe, what do? We will remove their f and fe's and will add ves to form their plural. If you see this example here, life, Okay, fe is there, so we'll remove fe and add ves. Similarly with knives and shells. But there are some nouns which ends with ff or fe. We add s to form their plurals. For example, roof, roofs, cliff, cliffs, believe, believes. We will not do believe, okay, because that's a verb there. Okay, believe. Okay, so the next point, that is point number 4, is some nouns form their plurals by changing the inside vowel or vowels of the singular. So what do we do in some of the nouns? What do? We form the plurals by changing the vowels inside it. Okay, we'll change the vowels of the singular to the vowels of plural. For example, man changes to men. We have changed the inside vowel a to e. Similarly with woman and women. Okay, and you have to take note that there are some nouns that are formed in irregular ways. For example, ox, oxen, child, children, etc. The next point is some nouns have their singulars and plurals alike. The some of the nouns are formed where we consider their singular and plural same. If you see these examples like deer, deer, hare, hare, sheep, sheep, these are the examples where singulars and plurals are used alike. And there are more examples like furniture, sceneries, advice, information, music. They are also words in which they are also the nouns in which the singular and plurals are alike. Rule number 6 says that some nouns are plural in form. Form means they look like plural but they are used as singular. Their physical, the spelling form is basically plural but they are used in the context of singular in meaning. If you see the examples like mathematics, mechanics, athletics, news, innings, politics. So these words are ending with s and they are sounding plural but they mean singular. And on the contrary, point number 7 says that some nouns are singular in form, means they look singular but they are used in the context of plural, in the meaning of plural. For example, people. When you say people, it is plural because person is singular. So it is not ending with s but it's looking singular but it is plural in nature. Similarly, poultry, date, cattle, folk, vermin, etc. The next rule is some nouns like the names of instruments, articles of dress, games or diseases are used in plural sense. They are used in plural forms. The article of clothing such as trousers, goods, tongs, scissors, measles, names of diseases used in plural form. Tuberculosis, okay, they are used in plural sense. So that was all for today's video. Today we have covered 8 rules and which will be followed by another video where we'll discuss some more rules regarding nouns number. They'll be advanced in nature. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you have doubt, please comment down in the description box below and you can also comment down your suggestion. So keep learning and keep growing.